Wednesdays the repair shop saw Allison bringing along her old friend, George, a ventriloquist doll. She explained to Jay Blades how she'd had George since childhood, but he had seen better days and was needing a makeover. When she began to demonstrate how George worked on the popular BBC show, Jay looked spooked as he admitted he was freaked out. Viewers also flocked to social media to express how creepy the doll was. However, Allison was later thrilled that the team had managed to restore George to his original state. "What have you got for us?" asked Jay, 53, as Allison entered the iconic barn. "I've got George," she beamed as she began to rummage through her bag. "In the bag? Okay," Jay replied before Allison pulled out the doll. "George usually sits on my left hand and then I make him work with the right," Allison explained. She asked, "George, are you happy about this?" Before George responded, "Not really, I think him alright as I am." As the others laughed, Allison replied, "No George, I can't take you out in public anymore, you're a complete disgrace." "So why have you got George?" asked Jay, to which Allison recalled, "I had an aunt. She had this ventriloquist doll, which was given to her by a man who used to do the music hall. I acquired him when I was 11. So how old is George then?" Jay probed before Allison answered, 1898 he was born, well, made. Don't miss. Emmerdale star speaks out on getting killed off months after arrival. Interview: Holly and Dermot stop this morning interview as guest suffers wardrobe mishap. Video: the repair shop's Susie Fletcher on leaving abusive marriage without support. Latest: do you want to see how he works? She asked as Jay eagerly confirmed he would. "Oh, you've got to take his head off?" he observed as Allison began to pull at the doll's head. "Yes, look away now. Don't want anybody passing out," she joked. Allison continued, "So these are all his workings and this has all gone a little bit. He moves his eyes," and at that point Allison showed how the doll's eyes flicker. "Okay," a concerned-looking Jay remarked as Allison noticed, "That's freaked you out now, isn't it?" "Yeah, that has freaked me out a bit, yeah," Jay admitted. Later on, Allison was impressed by George's restoration as he appeared as good as new following a team effort. Viewers were also scared of George, with Twitter user @DreamOfThEndless writing, "Fuck me sideways, that is creepy." #The repair shop. @John7023547 added, "Creepy looking thing burn him." #the repair shop. @AmyJoanne_penned, "That puppet thing whatever it is so BL creepy." #The repair shop. "I'm not sure I'd want to bring George back to life." #The repair shop, @Zoe's_shared. @Sue Home Yard boasted, "BL hell. George on at the repair shop is as creepy AF." #The repair shop. #ventriloquist stummy. @Gavin Evers remarked, "Sorry but George belongs on the bonfire." #The repair shop. The repair shop is available to watch on BBC iPlayer.
Good.